everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is the first video I've done in about, it feels like forever. It's been that long that I forgot I started YouTube and I forgot I started making videos. Just joking, I didn't really. Obviously 2020, no one saw this coming, did they? Coronavirus, COVID-19. So sadly YouTube did have to take a bit of a back seat in my life. I just wanted to stay healthy, look after the family, and just concentrate on ourselves. So what have I been up to? Well, nothing really. I've not really been doing anything. I have noticed over recent months I've gained quite a few new subscribers, so welcome all you new subscribers. We are trying to hit that 150 target, so please, if this is the first time watching videos, hit that subscribe button. What we're doing today, well, the car is absolutely filthy. I really do enjoy reviewing products, new products that people recommend to me, and I've had a brand recommended to me called EZ Car Care. I think that's how you say it, EZ or EZ Car Care, one of the two, I'm not sure. So I've got two of their products to look at today. We've got their citrus pre-wash, and we've also got their raging iron, which is a bit like the it's a bleeding iron fallout remover, so it's a bit like the Auto Finesse iron out that I reviewed previously. I was going to say recently, but obviously it's been 3 months, so it's not recently. So first jobs first. It's been a while this, hasn't it? Can you tell? I'm a bit off touch, aren't I? First thing is first. It's better, isn't it? We need to shift this dirty blue beast here. Couple of cinematics, you probably realise that, yeah, Max, your car's absolutely disgusting. But like I said, if we were testing these products and the car was clean, we wouldn't get a true representative of how good or bad these products are. And I will be giving you my honest opinion on these products and if I recommend them at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But for now, next thing we need to do is set the jet wash up and get the car nice and blasted, nice and rinsed off, ready to apply the raging iron fallout. I forgot what it's called. Right then, car's all rinsed off. So unlike the last video when I did the Auto Finesse iron out, I actually took the wheels off the car, but I haven't got that much time today, so we're going to do it while the wheels are on the car. First thing I'll say then is, really like the design of these bottles and the logo, and I think they're really good. So we're going to get straight to it. All it says is When using for wheel cleaning, we recommend agitating with a detailing brush to increase its superior cleaning ability. So I'll grab one of them now and we'll get it on this first wheel and we'll give it an agitate and we'll see what it comes out like. Brush. But I'm going to give it another go over. It's done a good job, but it has done a good job, so we'll give it another go over. So that's wheel one done. You know what? Yeah, recommend this. It's a good product. Do the other three wheels off camera now. This was the worst of the four wheels, so that's why I picked this one to do on camera. I'll do the other four off camera, then we'll move on to the citrus pre-wash. Right, we're back. So next we're going to look at the citrus pre-wash. I bought 5 litres of it. It was good value for money, so that's what I went for. Just reading the back of it then. It says citrus pre-wash can be applied from a pump or a trigger spray bottle. That's what we're using, and it says it can be diluted down to 10:1 or 4:1 depending on how dirty the car is. Now, as you saw from the cinematics, my car is filthy, so we're going to go 4:1. Now, I'm not going to lie, I normally buy stuff straight out of the bottle that you can just use. So I had to do a bit of googling, a bit of watching YouTube, spoke to the fiance. And what I understand is, if I put 400 millilitres of pre-wash in, I need to put 100 millilitres of water in. That's right. So I think it's right. So I've got a bottle here, that's 1 litre. So I'm going to put 800 millilitres of the pre-wash in, and I'm going to put 200 millilitres of water in. That gives our ratio of 4:1. Right, so I've got it a bit messy with it, but we've got it. Give it a shake in the bottle. It's a nice colour. It's orange, isn't it? Citrus, orange. Citrus, orange. No? Move on? Move on. Right. So we're going to give the car absolutely covered in this stuff and see what the results are like. And then we're going to go for snow foam and hand contact wash. Oh, I've just remembered something. Well, we'll save that though. So we're going to get the car absolutely covered in this stuff. Nice and for it, let it dwell. And then we'll go from there and we'll blast it off. So let's make a start. So I'm going to put some black gloves on to protect my hands. I'm letting the car dwell now, but if I just show you this. You can see here, it's lifting the dirt. Looks really, really good. You can see on the windows, I don't know where you can see it, but it is lifting the dirt straight off the paintwork of the car. So far then guys, really impressed. I'm going to rinse the car off now. I'm going to do that. Right guys, that's the car rinsed off. I'm well impressed with this product, this citrus pre-wash. Like I said then, it did smell very strong, but if you look at this, if you remember from the cinematics, I had quite a lot of bird droppings on the car. So this is an area where the bird droppings were, and there is no residue whatsoever. There was also some here on the spoiler, again, no residue. If you just look at the car, I'm well impressed guys. I hope you like the look of these products. Well impressed so far. I did think that was it for the EZ Car Care products, but when I was reading the back of the instructions on the pre-wash, what it actually says is that you can actually put a little bit of the pre-wash in with your mixture of your snow foam to give it an extra boost. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to mix the snow foam up and we're going to go for a bit of snow foam action. So there we go. And alright, the car looks absolutely beautiful. But that's not it, that's not the end, is it? It's a long process washing a car, innit? So far, well impressed. Recommend the Iron Fallout, and I recommend the Citrus Pre-Wash both from Easy Car Care. Like I said, we've got one last thing. I forgot I had this, and the reason I forgot I had it is because I didn't buy it off the website. I bought this off their Instagram page, and they kind of said it was a promotional thing, and they said if anybody wants this, well, you got, I think I only paid a couple of quid for shipping. So this is what we've got: EZ Car Care Cherry Bomb Ultra Luxury Car Shampoo. So we're going to make the mix now, get the car washed off while it's still a bit wet, because it makes it easier. So there we go then. As you saw from the last couple of cinematics, the car is now spick and span. Bit of tidying up, so I've got one more thing to do before I end this video, which you'll join me on. But yeah, well impressed with the EZ Car Care products. It just goes to show then, guys, that you don't have to go to all these big fancy brands that are in the places like Halfords and B&Q and other places. Don't get me wrong, massive fan of Auto Finesse. I absolutely love their products, but this, you know, it's a lot cheaper than Auto Finesse, but the quality is just as good. So one more thing to do, and then so the last thing we're going to do then is apply this. I've had some stickers made then to support the channel. If you're interested in one of these, give me a shout. I've got these full ones, and I've just got the F as well. If you've been, like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you will have already seen these, because I've posted a couple of pictures up. Sent one to a Dan AYP, and one's on the back of my dad's Transit van. So we're going to put this on the car now, and we'll end the video there with cinematic of this sticker. So that's it. The car is now branded FT Lock UK, for the love of cars. We've got a brand, we've got a logo, and we're trying to build this. And without your help, guys, it's not possible. So please, if you've watched this video so far, give it a thumbs up, give it a comment, subscribe to the channel for more videos.